guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and guess who accidentally deleted her intro video? It was me! So we're just gonna jump right into the craft. Today I am making a boutonniere out of a white tulip and some pearls and greenery, and I'm starting with this lovely pin that I just showed off. It's got this really big pearl on the bottom and I really like that. Clip your tulip or whatever faux flower or real flower you're using. And I'm doing this with fake flowers. I don't actually know how to do it with real flowers and make them live, so probably use a fake flower. Then I have some craft wire and I'm just stringing on some pearl beads because I thought those would be pretty. I kind of like it when there's like a little something that's not 100% greenery or organic on there, like a little bead or gem, just a little touch of sparkle. So I'm basically just turning my big wire into a loop, and then I am going to slide the beads down. This is a soft crafting wire, so I can manipulate it pretty easily, grab the bead and twist, and that's going to lock it into place. So I'm just kind of moving down the wire in the loop and locking the beads down by twisting it every so often. Basically, I don't know exactly what shape I want with these. I just want some free floating pearls that I think would be pretty, and I think the gold wire is going to add just like a little touch of sparkle with the pearls. Also, I think the color palette's nice, and I think the pearls are going to go really well with the tulip. So I'm making my last couple twists here, basically just putting together a little crown full of pearls, and I'm going to set that off to the side along with the rest of my ingredients and get some black ribbon. To start with, I'm going to shape the bouquet, so I am going to add some glue to the leaves that I chose and then add the tulip on top of that. I like the way it looks, but it's a little clean cut for me, so I'm adding the pearls, basically just wrapping the wire around the tulip so that it is a little bit stuck in place. I'm going to worry about final placement of the pearls later, but with the leaves on the back with the pearls in front, you can see it just adds a little bit of visual interest, and it's time to attach the ribbon and the backing. I'm using hot glue for both of these and just kind of gluing the backing on so there's something stable to pin it to the lapel, and then wrapping the front base where I have all the wires and stems and pins and everything coming together with a black ribbon just to kind of conceal all that chaos and make it look nice and pretty. Don't burn your fingers like crazy like I did on this, but just kind of wrap it nicely. Make sure there's no glue sticking out. Give it a trim when you are all done, and then wrap it up tightly. Like I said, my glue is super hot, so I used a multi-purpose tool just to finish the gluing because I was scared to touch it. I always burned my hands. So once everything is attached and on, then you can do final placement for your pearls. Don't forget to clean up any wispies that the hot glue leaves as well, and just make it look as clean and polished and beautiful as you want it to be. But this is a super fast, easy craft, and honestly, I think it's just absolutely beautiful. It's really simple. It doesn't take a lot of items to make, and look at this. It's just stunning. This is definitely something that you could wear to a wedding. You could give this to someone to wear to like a school dance if they're a teenager. Like, this is just a really beautiful little boutonniere. Super easy to make and really budget friendly. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.